Welcome to our channel, where we explore the wonders of nature and uncover the secrets it holds for our health and happiness. Today, we embark on a transformative journey into natural detox secrets, an exploration of how to cleanse your body, elevate your spirits, and ultimately, lead a healthier and happier life. In our fast-paced modern lives, we're constantly exposed to environmental toxins and pollutants that can accumulate within our bodies. These toxic burdens may lead to fatigue, mental fog, and a host of health concerns. The urban lifestyle, marked by air pollution and unhealthy dietary choices, can take a significant toll on our bodies and minds. Our stress levels and processed food habits only add to this toxic load. The good news is that the natural world offers us incredible tools for detoxification. By embracing these gifts, we can help our bodies cleanse and rejuvenate. Connect with nature. Immersing yourself in natural environments, from lush forests to serene lake shores, can have a profound detoxifying effect, reducing stress and supporting your body's own cleansing mechanisms. Stay hydrated. Pure, clean water is a crucial detox tool. Proper hydration flushes out toxins, helps maintain your bodily functions, and even supports your mental clarity. Herbal remedies are a gift from nature, providing incredible support for your body's natural detoxification processes. Detoxifying herbal teas, blends featuring herbs like dandelion, ginger, and nettle, can help your liver and kidneys eliminate toxins more effectively. Nutrient-rich foods. A diet rich in colorful fruits and vegetables offers a wealth of essential nutrients, vital for supporting detoxification pathways. Physical activity is not just about sweating out toxins, it's also about enhancing your overall well-being. Yoga and mindful movement. Yoga, in particular, not only enhances flexibility and strength, but also reduces stress, which is a pivotal element of successful detoxification. Farmers markets and organic choices. Opting for organic and locally sourced foods can significantly reduce your exposure to harmful chemicals and provide fresher, more nutrient-rich options. Detoxification primarily occurs during rest, underscoring the importance of sleep in this process. Sleep hygiene. Establishing a soothing bedtime routine and ensuring you receive high-quality sleep can enhance your body's detoxification mechanisms. Stress management. Whether through meditation, deep breathing, or simply spending time in nature, reducing stress is a cornerstone of an effective detox journey. The power of mindfulness. Mindfulness is a powerful ally in the realm of detoxification. By being present and fully aware of your choices, you can make more informed decisions regarding your health. Mindful eating. Paying attention to what and how you eat can lead to healthier choices, supporting your detox goals. Meditation and mental clarity. A clear mind facilitates detoxification, and meditation can help you achieve this. The importance of microbiome. Your gut microbiome is a dynamic ecosystem of microorganisms that profoundly affects your health. These beneficial bacteria assist in breaking down food, extracting nutrients, and even detoxifying harmful substances. To maintain a balanced microbiome, incorporate probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, and kimchi into your diet. Prebiotic foods such as garlic, onions, and asparagus provide nourishment for your gut microbes. A diverse diet filled with fiber and fermented foods can help keep your microbiome in optimal shape. Emotional detox. Emotional detox is a journey of self-awareness and emotional release. Journaling is a powerful tool that allows you to explore your emotions and express them on paper. Meditation and mindfulness practices help you observe and detach from negative emotions. Gratitude practices can shift your perspective and promote a positive outlook. Additionally, forgiveness, both for yourself and others, can free you from emotional burdens and promote emotional detoxification. Detoxification through fasting. Fasting is a powerful method for detoxification, offering various approaches to choose from. Intermittent fasting involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting, promoting autophagy, a cellular self-cleaning process. Water fasting, where you consume only water for a specific period, can reset your digestive system and aid in toxin elimination. Juice fasting provides vital nutrients while giving your digestive system a break. Fasting, when done mindfully and safely, can jumpstart your body's detoxification mechanisms. Toxins in beauty products. Common beauty products often contain harmful ingredients such as parabens, phthalates, and sulfates. To avoid these toxins, become an avid label reader and opt for products labeled paraben-free or sulfate-free. Explore natural and organic brands that prioritize clean ingredients. Consider making your own skincare products using natural ingredients like honey, aloe vera, and essential oils. Your skin will thank you for the switch to clean beauty. Raw food detox. Step into the world of raw food detox, where your plate bursts with uncooked, nutrient-rich delights. The power of enzymes. Raw foods are a treasure trove of enzymes that supercharge digestion and detoxification. Raw food meal ideas. Immerse yourself in a realm of creativity with raw food meal ideas, from vibrant smoothie bowls to zucchini noodles. But detox goes beyond what you eat. It extends into the digital world. Screen-free hours carve out precious moments for your mind to breathe, free from the hustle and bustle of the virtual world. Your serene bedroom, a sanctuary of sleep hygiene, becomes a haven of restful nights. In the sphere of mindfulness, your daily breathing exercise creates a calm oasis in the storm of life. By inhaling serenity and exhaling toxins, you amplify your detoxification journey. In conclusion, embracing natural detox secrets is an opportunity for transformation. By weaving the wisdom of nature into your daily life, you can elevate your health and happiness in ways you might never have imagined. If you found this video enlightening, please consider giving it a thumbs up, subscribing for more content, and sharing it with friends and family. Here's to your journey toward a healthier, happier you.